Oh, what's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Crookie again. I'm bringing you another cooking video. You guys showed me some love on my no bean chili last time, and I wanted to share this other recipe that I'm getting ready to do. It is sauerkraut and kielbasa. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that. It's very, very good. I haven't made it in a long time, so I'm gonna make it for you guys and share it with you. So what you need is you need a pack of kraut. You're gonna drain this in a colander or whatever you want to call it. I always pick on my girl to go get me the colander off the wall instead of the colander, you know, to strain stuff. Then you're going to need a pack of Poluszka kielbasa. What you're going to do is you're going to cut that up into little pieces like this, and you're going to need one white onion, large onion, you know, however you want to do it. You can do a different kind of onion too, whatever onions you like. I'm going to use some salt and pepper to taste. You're going to use a little bit of olive oil in the pan. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your kielbasa and your onions, and I'm going to show you this. You're going to put a little bit of olive oil. You're going to put it in your in your pan on not high heat. My stove has 1 to 10 heat. I'll put it on about 8 and sit there and fry it up, get it browned up, get the onions all soft and stuff. And then after your kraut drains, you're going to throw that on top of it and warm it up and put it in the frying pan. You're going to put salt, pepper, whatever seasonings you like. If you like jalapenos, you want some jalapenos in your kraut, put some jalapenos. I'm trying to think of what else. There's all kinds of things you can use. You don't have to use kielbasa. You can use, there's little sausage links that you can fry. Whatever you guys like. I've seen sauerkraut have beef in it. I mean, I've seen that. But my meat of choice right now is the Poluszka, or however you say it, kielbasa. I'm just playing around, guys. But I'm gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna go over here and show you what I'm doing here in a second. Hey guys, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub button, and I appreciate all the support. Thank you. All right, guys. As you can see, I got the kielbasa and the onions in there. Got it on about 8.5. I'm gonna, you know, get that good and softened up and browned a little bit. I actually used pepper, and I didn't use salt. I bought this new it's got all-purpose seasoning. I put some of that in. I put about a tablespoon on top of that stuff, and I'm gonna let it cook up, and you can already hear it sizzling. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. As you can see, I put the sauerkraut in the colander, and this is still browning up right here. There's my kitty. Yeah, Sparkles. That's my cat, Sparkles, and then I got another cat over here named Ebony over by the Christmas tree. Both of them black cats. I don't know if you guys got it. Sorry about the light, but you can see this browning up real nice. All right, guys, now you're going to throw your sauerkraut on top of it and mix it up and put it on medium heat, like 5 or 6. Make sure when you put it on there, it's not still scorching hot the eye, like when you was frying up the onions and the kielbasa. But, you know, mix it up real good and sit here and, you know, here or there, stir it up, get that sauerkraut nice and warm. Throw some more pepper on top of it. You can also add anything you want to this. This is what I'm doing. Like I said, if you want to make it spicy, add some jalapenos to it. If you don't like spicy, you can even put, I mean, pretty much anything you can think of. Cut up bell peppers, you know, just anything that if you want to spice it up or make it a little bit different. But like I said, this will probably do 2 to 3 people, you know, for dinner. If you got like a 3-person family, just depends on how much you eat. And like tonight, it's going to just be me and my son. So I'll probably have a bowl of it for lunch tomorrow. All right. I'll show you the final product here in a minute. Thank you. All right, folks. There's the finished product. I just turned it off. But yeah, looks so good. I can't wait to taste it. But yeah, I'm trying to think of other ideas to show you guys. I thought this one would be really cool and something easy. It didn't cost a whole lot. I think it cost me like you know, at most $10 or not even that. You know, kielbasa's like $4 for the pack, and then sauerkraut was $3, and the onion was not much at all. So a good meal for a small family, something easy to cook. So all right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. You have a good day and a good Thanksgiving if I don't see you by then.